Imagine this: a single appliance that pressure cooks juicy roasts, air fries crispy fries, and even whips up a batch of yogurt all in one sleek machine. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL boasts a staggering 12 functions, promising to replace your cluttered countertop with culinary domination. But is it too good to be true? As a self-proclaimed kitchen crusader, I embarked on a multi-week mission to put the Foodi Deluxe XL through its paces. Did it become my ultimate cooking companion, or just another overhyped gadget gathering dust? Let's unbox this multitasking marvel and see if it lives up to the hype. The power of pressure and crisp, a match made in foodie heaven. Let's start with the stars of the show: pressure cooking and air frying. The Foodi Deluxe XL features an impressive 8-quart ceramic-coated pot, big enough to handle a whole chicken or a hearty pot of chili. TenderCrisp technology is the game changer here. It allows you to pressure cook ingredients to lock in moisture and tenderness, then swap lids and air fry for a crispy, golden finish. This is perfect for dishes like juicy pulled pork that transforms into a dreamboat of crispy goodness with the air fryer lid. The 5-quart cook and crisp basket is your gateway to air-fried delights. I easily fit a whole batch of French fries in one go, achieving that satisfyingly crispy texture with minimal oil. Both the pot and basket are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Beyond the duo, exploring the 12 functions. While pressure cooking and air frying are the crown jewels, the Foodi Deluxe XL offers 10 more functions to explore. The slow cooker setting is ideal for stews and chilies, while the steamer is great for delicate vegetables. The broil function adds a nice finishing touch to pressure-cooked dishes, and the Sauté function lets you brown meat before pressure cooking for added flavor. Even yogurt making and sous vide are on the menu. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. Some functions might not replace dedicated appliances. Baking a delicate cake is likely better left to your oven for even heat distribution, and steaming large quantities of seafood might be more efficient with a traditional steamer basket. A deluxe experience, design and usability. The Foodi Deluxe XL boasts a sleek stainless steel design that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. The control panel is user-friendly with dedicated buttons for each function. A 45-recipe chef-inspired cookbook is included, offering a great starting point for exploring the Foodi's capabilities. The included deluxe reversible rack expands the functionality. You can use it for steaming, broiling, or even creating a layered 360 cooking experience to maximize space. A few considerations. While the Foodi Deluxe XL is a kitchen powerhouse, there are a few things to keep in mind. The pressure cooker function can be a bit noisy, and the appliance itself has a substantial footprint. It might not be ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Additionally, while most parts are dishwasher safe, the pressure cooker lid requires hand washing. The verdict: a versatile companion for busy cooks. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is a fantastic option for home cooks who want to streamline their kitchen routine and consolidate appliances. The pressure cooking and air frying functions are top-notch, and the additional features offer great versatility. This can be a game changer for busy weeknights or adventurous cooks looking to experiment with new recipes. However, if you have dedicated appliances you love for specific tasks, the Foodi Deluxe XL might be more of a space hog than a necessity. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a versatile appliance that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to weigh the pros and cons and ensure it has a place in your kitchen before taking the plunge. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.